Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC. And this week, we're going to learn how to embed a Google slide inside of your Google Doc. So let's get started. Right behind me, you'll see a handout from our brand new upcoming Pull Systems course on Lean Strategies International LLC. And inside of our handouts, you'll see that each of the chapters, or the modules in this case, have pictures in them. These are actually slides, and you can see that they're embedded in there. So what we're going to do is show you how you can do the same thing inside of Google Docs. So we've got two tabs that are open. The first one is our Pull Systems handout that you see right behind me. And the second one is our Pull Systems slide deck. So you'll need to make sure that your slides are pre-built, or if they're not pre-built, we'll show you how you can update them once they're embedded. So the first thing we're going to do is come back over here, and we'll use this first one right here. So we're going to go ahead and delete it just so we can show you how to embed it. Now let's say we want to put it right below this header right here that says promo. So we would go back to our slide deck, and you can either right click on it and select copy, or you can select the slide that you want and go up to edit and select copy. And then we're going to go back to our handout here, or our Google Doc. We're going to select where we want to put it, and you can either again right click and paste it in there. You'll see a couple of different options that'll show up. The first one is you can link it to your presentation. Now, when you do this, any changes that you make in your slide will be updatable on your Google document. So we'll show you that real quick. Let's paste it. And you see we've got it in there in the updated version. Now, let's say we go back and we decide we want to call this, instead of Pull Systems, we want to call it Pull Systems Course. And so we update the slide. If we come back to our Google Doc, you'll see this update show up right here. We click it, and it's going to automatically update your slide. You can also, if you see right here, this little drop down, we can open the source. That'll take us directly to the slide that's embedded there. The other option is we can unlink it. Now, you'd want to unlink your slide if you just want it to stay exactly the same. For example, if we come over here and we delete the course portion that we just added, we can go back and we'll see that this will update to the changes we've made. Now, if we click on it, we hit our drop down and we unlink it, and we come back over here and we type back in course. You'll see that when we go back to our Google Doc, it will not show us the update button. So you got to kind of choose whether you want it to be updatable or not. Now, we do want it to be updatable. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this again, and I'm going to come back over and delete this one and go up to edit and paste. And I'm going to keep it linked on here. Remember, the unlinked ones will not update. So we'll paste that. We'll go ahead and add our little bars on the outside, change that to black, and we're ready to go. And you see all the updates are right there in the slide. Now I'm going to go back and update this so that it doesn't say course. And then, of course, as soon as I click back to it, I can update in my Google Doc, and it'll say Pull Systems by Lean Strategies International LLC. So that's how you embed a Google slide inside of your Google Doc. Go out and try it out. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. We'd be happy to answer them for you. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you next week right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.